Welcome, SMF Street Traders, TTWO. They finally beat an earnings report. And for many, many, many years, TTWO has been taken down. We also believe that it's a prime candidate for a, perfect M&A activity. This one here and that whole area. It's been beaten down. We got bids out here, $9.50 on a pullback. The earnings report wasn't so bad either. As far as those earnings, we'll go into those earnings when we get to the conference call. Right now, we're going to keep them bids down below the market. This is after hours tick chart. There it is now. Look at that wick. That's where that move. Now, what we're going to try to do is figure out how to scale in below the market. MMTs. Here, let's record this. Back to SMF Street, what we would like people to know is that they beat by 36 cents a share. That's one thing that they did right. It's been a long time since I've done that. It jumped 15% in after hours. That's another thing it did, SMF MMTs. The other thing that we want to be aware of here is that they're going to give some guidance. That is upside guidance. So they were losing 8 cents a share. They come in at 36 cents. That puts them at a 28-cent positive deficit. And here we go. The revs are 270 to 320 million versus revs of 200 million to 250 million versus 238. That's wonderful. For take two, they're raising the EPS to 20 to 30 cents. That's a huge turnaround. So basically, they have a lot of things going on that earnings report. What I will tell people is that selling that gap is going to be nice. And I will send it out to everyone's email right now, MMTs, so that you got the earnings report in your inbox. And I'll pause the tape for a minute for you. Here's the price prints. I'm out to buy below the market here at 9.5. And just like anything, you first peak on it, then they pull it back. There will be a conference call. They pull them back to another lower price, and that's where we start going in. SMF Street, one thing you want to know, 28 cents a share. That's 36 cents better. They were losing 8 cents, as you can see here. No longer the case. Revs are 273.1 for the year. And that's a 200. Wow. Boy. That's unbelievable. 354 million. So the game maker is doing good. And it raises its guidance. So they finally got their product line to having a good earnings report again. For a number of years, Take Two has had a problem, folks. That's TTWO. And basically, there's been a lot of controversy around this stock. I think if there's consolidation in that gaming industry, they would be a perfect buyout candidate. I'm not starting a rumor or telling people this is for our SMF Street Traders, this video. If you happen to be watching it, hey, I'm talking to them, and we're going over this. So basically, what I want people to know is that Q4 EPS of 20 to 30. Okay? Non-recurring items from -10 to -20 versus -12. That's what Reuters consensus was. But they're raising Q4 to 270 million to 320 million from this number here. This is the key. 220, 250. So, buddy, the low end and the top end are there. Oh, I love it. 238.9 million was Reuters consensus here. So, basically, the guidance on bottom and top line are higher. Nice trade. Welcome to TTWO.